Hey everyone, Chris here and welcome to another AV product brief. Here in my hand I have a small unassuming box, but this isn't really a review about a box as it is about a new platform from a new brand, Pleneo. What Pleneo is introducing with RoomHub and RoomOS is a different way of thinking about how medium and large UC rooms are deployed, operated and supported. Because let's be honest, from a strictly hardware point of view, we're already in a pretty good place. Video bars handle small rooms well, larger spaces benefit from distributed microphones, external DSP and multi-camera tracking. Audio quality today is less about whether the technology exists and more about how consistently it's deployed and maintained. Where things start to fall apart is scale. Medium and large rooms are still delivered one at a time, tuned one at a time, and supported one at a time. Even with modern commissioning tools, outcomes depend heavily on expertise, time on site, and a fair bit of repeat effort. That's the gap Pleneo is aiming to address, and RoomOS is the core of that strategy. RoomOS is a software-driven operating layer designed to make rooms behave like systems, not projects. It combines local on-device intelligence with cloud-based orchestration so rooms can be deployed consistently, monitored as a fleet, and managed remotely without relying on repeated manual commissioning. The physical execution of that model is RoomHub, which I have here. It's a compact, fanless, PoE-powered edge device designed to sit quietly behind the display. It's lightweight, VESA-mountable, and intentionally unremarkable, because its role isn't to draw attention to itself, but to run the room. Inside, RoomHub combines processing technology with AI and machine learning, and it operates in tandem with Pleneo Cloud. Importantly, it's designed to work locally in the room, handling audio and video at the edge, while the cloud layer provides orchestration, visibility, and lifecycle management. Connectivity is simple and clearly thought through. Dual network ports allow you to segment traffic if required. USB-C supports both BYOD and in-room compute. Everything runs silently with no moving parts. When deployed, RoomOS discovers connected components and validates readiness. From there, the system automates much of what would traditionally be manual commissioning. Audio optimization is handled using room-aware processing, with features such as adaptive noise handling, machine learning-based reverberation, and voice enhancement designed to improve intelligibility across real-world conditions. What's important here is not any single feature, but the intent to define how a room should behave, then ensure it behaves that way consistently across rooms, buildings, and sites. For experienced AV professionals, RoomOS doesn't remove control. Deeper access is still available where required, but it does remove a lot of repetitive effort and uncertainty, particularly when deploying multiple similar spaces. For IT and UC teams, the appeal is more obvious. RoomOS fits far more naturally into an IT operating model where predictability, repeatability, and remote management are expected. Rooms become manageable assets rather than bespoke installations. Pleneo is a new brand, but it draws on decades of experience from its parent company, Zilliqa. That heritage shows in the focus on audio quality, edge processing, and reliability. But the mindset is clearly forward-looking. Rather than competing on individual devices, Pleneo is competing on outcomes. Consistent room behavior, scalable deployment, and reduced operational friction in medium and large spaces. RoomOS represents a shift from commissioning rooms to operating them, and for organizations looking to scale collaboration beyond small rooms without scaling complexity, that's a proposition worth paying attention to.